calling all design enthusiasts. Today, we are teaming up with the amazing Nihan Graphics to create a sleek and stylish S-letter logo using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this video will guide you through Nihan's expert techniques and tips. In this collab, you'll follow along with Nihan's step-by-step approach as he demonstrates key tools and techniques in Illustrator. Learn to create various S-letter variations, from classic to modern, exploring different styles and shapes. Discover Nihan's unique design perspective and gain valuable insights into his creative process. Pick up valuable tips and tricks on typography, color theory, and logo composition. Get inspired by Nihan's portfolio and see how he applies these techniques to real-world projects. No matter your skill level, this video will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to design an S logo that stands out. So, grab your coffee, open Illustrator, and get ready to learn from the master himself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to both our channels for more design tutorials and collaborations.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 concerned where